Chief Justice Kayang Syari Meghalaya High Court Justice Sanjeev Banerjee ula play ke rakhia Diamond Jubilee jong ke Shillong Law College rengkat ke jingan lang President ka governing body uba W Collab principal jong ke college kinong hikai kinong tray jong ke college bat kum joru ki kena pule jong ke college haba ajing kran ke sini Justice Sanjeev Banerjee ul penpaw ke jing sngongo ke college bakala khot sngo bhayu pada kejengkran jung ula kenturu iki kena bakin long ke batrishtom bat bakin tiar na kejinglin ke besneu kam tam no drugs hagani kesini la yoru kejeng penyakut buram ya kinong seng jong ke college bala yoru ya kejengkran priang no principal jong ke college la penipu ipiang ya kejeng rakia de kejeng ruai jing shat tenrai na ki kena jong ke jaka pule.
And most importantly, in this day and age, at your level, to not fall prey to drugs. It is something that all of you should be aware of. Once in a while, each one of us, we have passed through this age. You want to experiment, you want to push the boundaries, do it. But please always be aware that there is an edge, and over the edge is the precipice from where there is no comeback. Take yourself to the edge, enjoy the risk of being at the edge, but come back. Legal education in this country, in terms of number of law colleges, has been booming. Indeed, legal education and the mushrooming of law colleges over the last 6, 7 or 10 years was kind of catapulted by an article called Legal Eagles published in one of the leading magazines in the country. And that article indicated how the big lawyers, how much they earned. It was in crores and tens of crores, and everyone began to imagine that they will be in such position. But it takes a lot of hard work and, more than anything else, a lot of luck to even make the grade, leave alone reach the dizzy heights that the article Legal Eagles spoke of. As a practitioner in the Calcutta High Court, I used to be amazed at times when I would be running from the library to attend a court upon being told that a matter was being about to be called. And I would find sitting in the library absolute luminaries, people who had ranked in bar examinations, people who had finished their LLMs or tripos from Cambridge or Oxford with distinction, people who had ranked in their secondary or higher secondary examinations would be sitting around with no work, while others of much less caliber would be running around, not able to manage the work on their plate. It's a matter of making the best of the opportunities that come your way. It's a matter of also being disciplined in some ways. These days, because of the more egalitarian kind of system that we have evolved into, you graduate out of law colleges and you expect to earn. Please remember that the first 3 or 4 years after graduation, and when you enter the profession, if you do enter the profession and don't take up a job, that's the time when you study and learn. That's the time when you have to struggle.